We will be discussing the service system analysis of La Vista Latin Grill and Bar, which is a restaurant located in the San Juan Marriott Resort and Stellarius Casino. And it is from the full service market, a market that is really common and it seems in our daily life. It defines those businesses, institutions, and companies responsible for any meal prepared outside the home. This industry includes restaurants, schools and hospital cafeterias, catering operations, and many other formats. We observe this service of this restaurant from the outside, the welcoming, the visible and invisible service, and the back office. The result of customer satisfaction in this restaurant industry focuses in 3 point elements: service quality, which implies excellent customer service, price, and food quality. It's located in a strategic location because of the clientele. Condado is a tourist place in Puerto Rico. We receive many tourists all around year. We select three tools to explain the service of this restaurant, which are the following: blueprint, storyboard, and roleplay. Now we're going to be talking about the tool blueprint. The blueprint is an operational tool that describes the nature and the characteristics of the service interaction in enough detail to verify, implement, and maintain it. Here we have an example of the La Vista Latin Bar and Grill restaurant. First, we have the physical evidence, where we can see the restaurant interior parking, the restaurant decor ambience, drinks tray presentation, menu, food presentation and taste, and the bill. In the customer side, we can see when they arrive at the restaurant, they check the availability, read and sitting, take, drink order. Then it's sent to the kitchen where the order is taken and prepared, and informed to the waiter to serve the drinks and receive the drinks the customer. Later, the customer orders the meals, take the food order, the order to the kitchen where they is prepared the meal. Later, they inform the waiter that the meal is ready, and they deliver the food, and the customer receives the food. Later, the customer asks for the bill, they process the bill, they pay and leave. That is an example of the blueprint for this restaurant service.
The storyboard that you're about to see provides the opportunity to observe images of a customer service situation, which illustrates a client's perspective in a restaurant.
This storyboard is a visual representation of a role-play scene that you're about to see in our next tool. It's a scene centered on depicting the proper customer service techniques to be used within the food industry. A server's responsibility depends greatly on the business. However, their primary duty is to provide excellent customer service, take orders, and deliver food. Servers are more a part of the dining experience, offering suggestions and recommendations as shown in this storyboard.
The next tool that you'll see is a roleplay representation, which consists of a series of nearly identical scenes that show different character profiles in order to understand how different users would act in the same situation.
Good evening, my name is Diane. I'll be your server for today. Can I offer you anything to drink?
Yeah, some water, please, and I'm ready to order too.
Alright, would that be bottle or glass of water?
Making a glass and a steak and well done, please.
And for the side, would that be salad, mofongo, rice and beans?
Making rice and beans, please.
Okay, I'll be ready.
Thank you.
One eternity later.
How is everything over here?
Well, the steak appears to be medium rare and only well done.
I am so sorry for the misunderstanding. I'll fix that right away.
some coffee and the check, please.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Here's your coffee.
Here.
You're welcome. Good evening, my name is Diana. I'll be your server for today. Have you had a chance to look at our menu?
Yes, I did, but I'm not ready to order. What can you recommend me?
Well, many people here love our steaks. It's one of the best.
Sure, I'll be up for a steak with rice and beans to go with it, please.
Rice and beans. Okay. And how would you like your steak cooked?
Well done, please.
Well done. Okay, I'll be right with you.
20 minutes later.
Enjoy your day. Was I right about that steak? How are you liking it?
It's great. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
you're welcome. Enjoy your day. Are you finished here or should I wrap this up to go now?
Yes, I'm too full.
Okay.
Just
Well,
the
that's
check,
It's
please.
the check. Okay, I'll get it right away.
A few moments later.
Here's the check. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Here we see a comparison of both Scene 1 and Scene 2. In Scene 1, the server took order but didn't offer any recommendations or suggestions. The glass of water was asked for but never brought till after the meal arrived, which took 40 minutes. Server asked about the meal, but it appeared she took the order wrong. And it took 20 minutes for the check and coffee to arrive. This is a result of poor customer service, which he rated 1 star on TripAdvisor. While in Scene 2, the server took order and gave many recommendations. The glass of water was brought to table automatically. It took 20 minutes for the meal to arrive. Server asked about the meal and got a positive feedback. Suggests to wrap food to go and the check arrived fast. This is a result of excellent customer service, which she rated 5 stars on TripAdvisor.